a sec. And I believe we are live. All right. Well, I hope that wasn't all cut off in the beginning. But I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Good day to you all. And let's get to talking. All right. So far, we've had a lot of consistent signals. This is looking great. The consistency is really important to us right now because we don't want buyers falling off the map and we don't want sellers gaining steam. And clearly what we have right here is just a pretty constant sideways psychological behavior, which is fine for us. The longer we can maintain the bullish psychology and without exacerbating the bearishness, then we're going to be okay. Our next move is likely to be up. There's support. There's no sellers. The next move is going to be to the upside. We have a pretty tight band bid-ask spread on spot markets. We have a pretty, I'd say a mid-sized band in the perp markets, slightly, a mid-sized band that is bid dominant. I'm liking what I see there. We did get a couple moves to the upside, sharp moves to the upside, met with immediate resistance. And that leads us into today's move at approximately 9:30 a.m. where we came out of 29,100 up to 29,300. And honestly, this is not a big deal whatsoever. This is like such tiny movement for such an asset, such a volatile asset. It's really unnatural. It's this very boring, but this is what we get before real bull markets. This is like the calm before the storm. This is the time to be planting your seeds. This is the time to be getting your long-term vision set up. A year and a half from now, all this shit's going to be going absolutely haywire, and you're probably going to be happy that you accepted this boring period of time and invested and did something with it. So that's the long story short here. Book is stacked on the buy side. I think our next move is going to continue with an upward trajectory, probably back into the 30,000s before we get a sell signal, at which point I will consider exiting my trade. Looking at the CME gaps, we have nothing new, just our existing gap that we had before. Our very local CME got very tight. And then we have gaps overhead at 34,000, 35,000, gaps below at 20,000 range. Looking at anything else here, Bitcoin on the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour on Coinbase. Yeah, all right. Well, what's MSR saying? Still in a bull trend. All right. Well, that should wrap us up, you guys. That's a nice little wrap for I do want to take a quick look. Oh, well, nope, that's some shit coin no one cares about. All right, you guys. All right, well, that should wrap us up for now. It looks like the market's gonna be able to push our way out of this little, this grindy low that no one's comfortable with. It's not quite terrible, but we don't want to be here. I think we're going to be able to grind our way out. It looks like sideways is the move for a little while longer. But I think overall, probably 7 days or so, 7 days or less, we'll be back above 30,000, and we'll have something to think about up there. Figure out if the sellers are still stacked up there, like they were yesterday, or not. That being said, everyone, make sure you're doing your push-ups and sit-ups and turning the shower water cold at the end of your shower. Make sure you're bending out of your comfort zone and doing beautiful things every day to make yourself a much better human being. Again, this is the time to plant seeds. Every single day that you're living right now should not a single moment of time should be spent wasted. All this time of sideways action, you guys, it's going to get awesome in a year and a half from now. So make sure that you are absolutely who you want to be then, so that you're prepared. All right, everyone. Much love to you all. Have a great day, and I'll be catching you on the Bitcoin Lounge show, and we'll smoke a few cigars and talk life and charts. All right, everyone.